This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices because a stable connection prevents intermittent drops. Plug a certified Lightning cable into the XEV 9E USB port or enable the car's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for wireless CarPlay. Use wired first if available. On your iPhone, unlock it, enable Siri and permit CarPlay while locked in settings. This ensures notifications and navigation function. Once done, the head unit should detect the iPhone. If nothing appears, try a different USB port or a fresh cable. You now move into pairing and configuring the connection so controls and audio route correctly. On the XEV 9E head unit, select CarPlay or phone projection and pick your iPhone from the device list. Then accept the pairing prompts on both the car screen and the phone. Make sure you allow contacts, notifications, and microphone access so Siri and calls work. Once paired, go to the XEV display and sound settings to balance volume, screen orientation, and steering wheel button mapping for voice and track control. You finish by validating functionality and addressing common failures so the system is reliable. Run through Maps navigation, make a call, play audio, and invoke Siri to confirm microphone and steering controls respond. If you see lag or dropouts, first toggle the iPhone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, replug or replace the USB cable, and reboot the phone. These actions clear transient glitches. If problems persist, reset CarPlay settings on the iPhone and delete the vehicle from both devices, then repair. One key tip: try a different certified.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.